First Class Travel presents South Australia, from Adelaide to Kangaroo Island. Explore this magnificent coastal region, taking in the beauty of South Australia at its very best, as we show you the highlights from the chic town of Adelaide, through the rolling hills of McLaren Vale, to the dramatic cliffs and sandy beaches of the Fleurieu Peninsula, and onto the iconic Kangaroo Island. You'll witness the native kangaroos perched high on the escarpment and marvel at the playful Australian sea lions at Seal Bay on Kangaroo Island. Escape the busy city lifestyle and rediscover the adventure within on this spectacular road trip. As you depart Adelaide, join Temptation Sailing for a day at sea. Spot marine life, don a snorkel, or swim with the dolphins on this memorable tour. Reinvigorate yourself as you pass through the iconic McLaren Vale wine region, 45 minutes south of Adelaide, home to world-class wines and plenty of culinary experiences to enjoy. Make your way further down the Fleurieu Peninsula, a picturesque drive through stunning landscapes of rolling farmland, charming towns, iconic vineyards and pristine sandy beaches contrasting the rugged coastline. The Fleurieu coast is a magnet for families, nature lovers and adventure seekers. The vivid aqua waters play a major part in the area's appeal. With endless glassy beaches, it's the perfect location for many water activities including paddleboarding, kayaking and sailing. Finish your day with a spectacular sunset over the striking coastline. As you venture over to Kangaroo Island, known for its unspoiled wilderness, stunning beaches and plethora of native wildlife, meander through the boardwalk of the Conservation Park, nestled high in the dunes overlooking the beach at your own leisure, or join the experienced guides on the beach in the heart of the action. We recommend staying at the Hamilton or Dune House on the beautiful Emu Beach for a luxurious and private retreat. Next stop, enjoy the premium wines at False Cape Winery, a sustainable Kangaroo Island vineyard and unique cellar door, situated on the banks of the Wilson River on the Dudley Peninsula. False Cape is the largest vineyard on Kangaroo Island, covering 60 acres. Kangaroo Island has multiple accommodation options. Sadly, the most widely recognised and highly acclaimed Southern Ocean Lodge was destroyed in the 2020 bushfires and is currently in its early stages of rebuilding, anticipated to reopen in late 2022 or early 2023. For a fun-filled day, head out to Kangaroo Island Outdoor Action for the thrill seekers at heart, offering a magnitude of action-packed activities including quad biking, fat biking, sandboarding and more through the vast sand dunes of Little Sahara. With so much to do, so close to Adelaide, it's the perfect road trip for locals and visitors to South Australia. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more first-class travel inspiration.